Easter basket ideas. 16 Easter basket ideas for this Easter celebration that you can choose from. Welcome to Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. Let's dive right in. In this video, I'm showing you 16 gift basket ideas that you can give on this Easter celebration. Easter basket ideas for a wife, Easter basket ideas for hair, Easter basket ideas for an adult, filled Easter basket, unique Easter baskets. All these are in this video, and I compile this into details here that will give you an idea of what you can give on this basket. So this is Easter basket ideas that I have compiled together to make your life a little easier when you are searching or when you are looking for exactly what to give on this Easter basket. I have a details written blog post on best Easter basket ideas that you can have. And so when you come here, we have the best Easter basket ideas for wife. You would just want something simple that you can give to your wife. And being a wife myself, I know we women, we don't want that much. So here I have Easter macaroon that you can give for a wife. And this is something that she will love because it's just so simple, easy, and this is delicious. And it includes 2 each of 5 macarons flavors. You have lemon, pistachios, raspberry, vanilla, and salted caramel. And this is a really good idea for a wife. You also have healthy hydration gift basket, and this is very healthy because you can make an adult drinks out of it, and you can also substitute for non-alcoholic drinks. And this is really something good that you can have. This includes tasty nut butter superfood bars and a keto mix consistent of pumpkin and sunflower seed, almond, walnut, and coconut. This is very perfect healthy gift you can give for a wife. You also have Happy Easter fruit tower. I love this fruit tower because it contains a delicious, attracting things that anybody will love. This is filled with orchard fresh oranges, olive oil, and sea salt water crackers and summer sausage. You also have a sharp cheddar cheese, creamy and rich waffle cookies, and roasted cashew. And this is very amazing and enticing gift and give for a wife. You also have an Easter popping tin. This is people's choice, and this comprises of different kind of popcorns that you can have. This is something that you can give and your wife can enjoy sitting watching TV or doing something in the house. And this is really good gift for a wife. You can choose from different flavors, combination from traditional or people's choice, and either comes in a gallon or 2 gallons. And this is a festive Easter things designed as a gift for a wife. You also have cheese and crackers, and this is unique Easter basket that can be given to anyone. Including this, you have healthy gift box that has cheese, it has olives, it has sausage, crackers, it has nut, and cheddar cheese. And this is all something simple and easy that anyone can enjoy any time of the day. And also you have sweet tooth bakery box, and this is yummy, delicious. I have tried this myself, and you can't go wrong with this. Healthy, delicious, and this is very, very yummy gift basket you can give to anyone. And also you have pampered girls gift basket. We can't have Easter without remembering the little ones in our lives. So this is something that a pampered gift basket you can give, especially for expecting mom who is expecting a newborn. This is good to have for the little baby. Any expecting mom will appreciate having as gift on Easter. We have a yummy candy basket. You have gooey marshmallow pips and also jelly beans. You have milk chocolate bunny. All this is included in this gift basket. This is mostly for kids. They will love it. And also you have ultimate Easter chocolate and cookies gift tower, and this is delicious, comprised with different things in the basket. And you have cheddar cheese, oat cake biscuit, you have flat bread crackers, garlic cheese, jalapenos, Monterey jack cheese, you have salami, mixed nuts, vegetable cheddar cheese, and more. So this is something for a whole family that can enjoy in the evening or on Easter day to have some coffee or tea with. If you are looking for something as a vacation getaway with friends, and this is something that I can recommend for you. This is Chicago Gourmet, and you can take a trip with a friend just to have a nice 1, 2, 3 days and enjoy your Easter with people you love. So this is a really good Easter ideas that you can have for this Easter. Also we have baked goods sample gift basket, and this is yummy, delicious morning tea, morning breakfast with cookies that you can't go wrong. And this is rich brownie, very crispy and chewy cookies. Creating a selection perfect for you. Have different kind of selections you can choose from, and this is a delicious, perfect to give for a friend, a family, or for yourself. Treat yourself to a good Easter Easter morning breakfast ideas. So that's good for you. You also have, this is filled Easter basket, and this comes with Easter morning breakfast basket, and this includes everything you can have. And this contains brown Easter bunny, this is pancake mixing for Easter morning. This is something that you can have or send for a friend, your mom, sister, someone in your family. You can send this gift basket. It's very good choice of a gift basket to be given to someone. Also, you have talk of the town fruit and melon wine gift basket. This is amazing. This comes with healthy fruit and also cheese, and it has 8 pieces of farm fresh fruit, cheese, crackers, and gourmet goodies. This is a beautiful, thoughtful Easter basket ideas you can send to someone in your family. And also, you have a baby girl's first wardrobe gift basket. Remember, as we are celebrating Easter, we are celebrating everyone in our family, including the little ones, the babies, the newborns. So this is a really good Easter basket that you can have for a newborn, and they will enjoy it as well because it have goodies in here that will be beneficial for the kid, for the little ones. And so this is something you can give to someone you know in your family or a friend that they will love to have and enjoy because it's something they can use. And also we have Easter celebration Oreo cookie, and look at this marvelous looking cookies in different coated colors, and this is dipped in Belgian chocolate, drizzling with delicate ribbon of signature chocolate. That is really amazing, yummy, that you can have. You can enjoy this yourself. You can give this to a friend, anyone in your family. This is best good 16 Easter basket ideas that you can have for your family. And also frequently asked questions will be Easter basket ideas for an adult, no candy. There are so many ways you can put together a gift basket for an adult without candy in it. Some ideas can be a popcorn, you can have candles, you can have bath sets, you can have beach towels, cooking accessories, perfume, wine, beddings. You can make a creative Easter basket ideas for an adult, no candy, and that will be perfect and they will love. Also, do adults get Easter baskets? Yes, adults also get Easter basket. Easter basket ideas is for everyone from kids to adults. So yes, you can, and also you can include things like teddy bears, craft, bubble, reading books, water beads, wood or foam letters, drawing books, little car toys. All this will be something good for kids. Enjoy that as well. There was a question that was asked, what do you put in an Easter gift basket? And that is simple. You can put anything in Easter basket depending on what the gift basket is going to. And most things you can put in Easter basket that anyone will love will be generally cookies. You can put in packaged cookies. You can do breakfast ingredients. You can put assorted breakfast together and make a gift basket of that. You can have fruit mixed with nuts all mixed together. You can have cheese and crackers. You can have wine. You can have a canned beer all put together and more. The creation, your ideas, you can do anything, mix all that together. It's your idea, creative, and the person will love it. Also, there was a question asked that Easter basket ideas for adults, no candy. Yes, you can do anything you want. You can do pendants, you can do candles, fruit, popcorn, electronic gadgets, you can do earbuds, you can wine, you can do mug, you can personalize for people. This is things you can do for a family and they will love it. I think these are all things that you will love for Easter ideas. Those are 16 Easter basket ideas that you can give for a wife, a friend, sister, a brother, anyone in your family. You can take a trip, vacation with friends. You can take a vacation with your family to have 1 or 2 days out to enjoy your families together. You can do that. So these are things that you can enjoy. I have put together these 16 gift basket ideas to be able to help you to make your life a little bit easier, and I'll leave a link for all these in the description of this video for you. There is so much selection you can choose from. It doesn't matter what you are looking for, anything for newborn, for babies, Easter basket ideas for an adult, Easter basket ideas for a family friend, for anyone in your family, for your wife. You have varying selection to choose from. I hope this helps you to be able to find exactly what you are are looking for in gift basket ideas for this Easter. My question for you today is, what do you put in an Easter basket? Leave a comment for me in the comment section below. What do you put in an Easter basket? I hope this video has helped you in some way to be able to have an Easter basket ideas for anyone in your family for this Easter celebration. I try to make it a little simple for you so you don't have to waste too much time looking for exactly what would be the best Easter basket ideas for this Easter, to be able to find the right Easter basket ideas for your friends, for your families. If this video has helped you in some way, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me. And as always, I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.